About the femur. The femur is a long bone that forms the proximal portion of the hind limbs of limbed animals. It is the longest, most voluminous, and toughest bone in the mammalian body. It is the longest, most voluminous, and strongest bone in the mammalian body, comprising the area between the hip and the knee. The average length of the femur in humans is 43.2 centimeters, making it the longest bone in the human body. The proximal end is composed of the femoral head, femoral neck, greater trochanter, and lesser trochanter. The round femoral head, together with the acetabulum, forms the hip joint. The femoral head is smooth, but has an indentation called the femoral head fossa, which is connected to the acetabulum by ligaments. One of the important functions of the femoral head is the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. The femoral neck is located between the femoral head and the greater and lesser trochanter. The angle between the femoral neck and the body of the bone is called the neck-body angle and is usually about 125 degrees. The muscles that move the hip joint attach to the greater trochanter and lesser trochanter. On the back of the femoral body, there is a rough line that divides the surface into three parts. The upper part of the coarse line, the coarse surface of the gluteus medius, is where the gluteus maximus muscle attaches. The biceps femoris arrives at the lower part of the coarse line. At the distal end, there are two ridges, the medial and lateral granules, which together with the tibia form the knee joint. The space between the medial and lateral granules is called the intercondylar fossa. Above the medial and lateral granules are the medial and lateral epicondyles, and above the medial epicondyle is the adductor tubercle.